In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for sleeping dogs definitive edition. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under File, select the latest version. Select this folder icon and double click on the exe. Select yes option and launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab. Open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite ammo, no reload. Once you turn on the cheats, just minimize and get back to the game. Show you guys it's infinite ammo and no recoil, it's sparking. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.